Hey guys, so today we are going to analyze how to read a newspaper. Sorry if the video is a little wobbly. I tried to take a video from above, but I don't have a stand. So I'm just gonna hold the phone and try to tell you things. And always have a pen and a notebook. Whatever we do, just write that down in the notebook, right? So that you always have that. You can read that when you go to exam. I will show you that how did I maintain my notebook. Okay, so let's start. The thing is that you don't have to read the whole newspaper. You just have to read parts of it. So what you do first is you read the headlines. So let's start. Capital Titans COVID curfews, weekend curfew to be imposed from Friday night. So in this, there won't be a lot of information. There will be just like why the how many cases have been increasing, why there is a lockdown. So just try to read, like that is obvious, right? What else can they write in this? So just uh, see what is happening, like just read it from the above. Like on a day the national capital reported 5481 cases, COVID cases, and Chief Minister Kejriwal tested positive, and then all will be blah 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 blah, there's night curfew. So you don't have to read the whole thing. You know what is going on in this country, that's fine. You should know that तुम्हारे यहाँ पर कौन सा लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. Women detained in Uttarakhand, police say key suspect. The thing is, this is a very kind of a local news, so you don't have to read this. In Assam, Padma awarded booked for rape for foster child. So basically, a Padma awardee was alleged for a rape, but the thing is, in interviews they don't ask about murders or rapes, so you don't have to read this news, right? Because it is useless. Like nobody cares about rapes. Like we do care about rapes, but I don't mean to be insensitive, but in interviews that is not a thing of like national importance. Things of national importance are of different level. What is happening to the country? China is attacking, but the Pegasus software was found in, like it is Pegasus is being used to spy up on our prime minister, on our CDS, on blah blah blah. So these are the kind of important news. At least in interviews they don't ask you a lot about rape or murders. So what, or even Aryan Khan, nobody is going to ask you Aryan Khan ka drug scandal ke bare mein batao, ye batao, wo batao. Nobody cares about that. So what you should do is the main topics, like all these kind of topics, just have a overview about them. Like you should at least know, but you don't have to read about them a lot. Okay, so leave that topic. Then rising COVID numbers may blunt sharp uptick in services sector. So the thing is, this is kind of related to business. You will get a idea about what is happening in the services sector because of the rising COVID numbers. So just read it. Again, you don't have to read the whole news, just till you get an idea, because in the first 2 to 3 paragraphs you will get an idea. Because see, it is written that it is continued on page 2, right? So uh, on page 2, just here COVID numbers, the news is quite long, so you don't have to waste a lot of time reading that. You just read the first 3 or 4 paragraphs, and you will get a proper idea. And if you still think that you need more, you can just skim through it. You don't have to read it like you learning read it. Girls marathon big draw, Congress bets on their buzz in pro poll race, a stampede like situation in Congress marathon. So it's not really an important news, because yeah, obviously Congress workers shot at in UP was held for waving black. Okay, fine. So this political news as such, like political news are important, but like let's say elections, तो elections में क्या हो रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा important होता है. तो these are not kind of important news. Just try to and see what I'm doing. I'm just reading the headlines, and I'm trying to guess whether this is important or not. And if sometimes you feel that no, maybe it may be important, so just try reading it. In the first 1 or 2 paragraphs, you'll get to know whether this is important or not. UP police informer. Okay, fine. Man who posed as a student duped. Nobody cares. 5 दिल्ली डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिपोर्ट स्पाइक. सो यू शुड नो दैट. ठीक है, दिल्ली में केसेस काफ़ी बढ़ रहे हैं, तो इंडिया में दिल्ली में केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. ओके, फाइन. ट्विन टावर्स प्लान्ड एज अ न्यू स्पेस ऑफिस फॉर दिल्ली CM. सो मे बी पीपल विल आस्क यू दैट यहाँ पर कॉस्ट क्या होती है. मतलब लाइक देर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ expenses to build this building, so is this really needed? So just read कि कितना. the new building देखो, will build an estimated cost of 1900 crore. So 1900 crore is a very big number, right? So they may ask you that do you think that the expenses are justified? So just keep an eye on that. Okay. previous Previous governments neglected northeastern states prime minister, so it's fine. This is like just petty politics. Then SC will try to take up matter of NEET PG quota today CJ. So NEET PG may be important because we are aspirants too. Like the people who are seeing this video, you would be aspirants, right? So you should know what exactly is quota. At least you should have an opinion about it. And it तुम्हारा ओपिनियन ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोटा से लोगों को ये नहीं हो रहा है, बाकी जो जनरल लोग हैं उनको अच्छे से अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिल रही है, इसलिए लेट गो ऑफ कोटा, नो बडी नीड्स अ कोटा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. There are a lot of marginalized people, and trust me, we do need quotas. But the thing is, the people who don't need it are using that. The real people who should be utilizing it, they are not able to utilize. So we should bring out reforms for this thing. So मेरी ये थॉट प्रोसेस डेवलप हुई. ये कैसे डेवलप हुई? न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ के, एडिटोरियल्स पढ़ के. तो स्टार्टिंग में तुम्हें ऐसा हो सकता है कि तुम्हें सब कुछ पढ़ने का मन करे, पढ़ो. अपने आप तुम 2-3 दिनों में, 5 दिनों में, एक हफ्ते में स्किम करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे चीज़ों को. तुम सारे चीज़ें नहीं पढ़ोगे. एंड ट्राई टू रीड इंडियन एक्सप्रेस और द हिंदू बिकॉज दे हैव लेस एड्स. इंडिया वो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में तुम वो एड्स में ही व्यस्त हो जाते हो कि अरे वाह वाह ये क्या है नया मार्केट में. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता था. तो या but and like don't have such opinions that can create a controversy, right? So yep. Maithia not in Punjab will resign. Okay, fine. Stock talking later, a bull run for poll promises in UP. So I thought that this was something related to stock. Sometimes you are not able to understand the things just by seeing the headlines. So I started reading it. From bulls to bills, parties in Uttar Pradesh poll race have everything and everyone covered. Some promises are common, such as free electricity. So this is about elections. What are they promising and all? So okay, fine. You don't need to read this. Earlier government used to withdraw cases against terrorists. Yogi attacking the Samajwadi Party. Okay, fine. This is like just politics. You can read it because there is something related to terrorists, but just see that it's not like he's calling anyone terrorist. Like legit terrorist को terrorist बुला रहे तो ठीक है. अब ये explained. This is the Indian Express का style of papers. They write this explained. There is some topic is taken and they explain what is happening. So the shelf life of vaccines. So you, just for information, you may read this because it is important. And COVID cases, just have an idea what kind of cases are happening. There is a surge in the last 10 days, and right now India is not at risk of Omicron. Like it is at the risk, but in 2-3 weeks we will see the real effects. We are not at the level of America right now. So in 2-3 effects, when we will start seeing the effects, these things will change. So keep an eye on this thing because the interviewer may ask कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में. The shelf life of vaccines. तो इसमें मैंने ये पढ़ा था because I thought that it was important. So the shelf life of Covaxin was increased from 9 to 12 months. And this everybody thought that सिर्फ 9 month expiry है और 12 months वाले teenagers को दे रहे, 15 to 18 खुल चुका है ना. So everybody was concerned. But just read what is shelf life, कैसे उसकी measure होता है, and is it safe. So obviously, no matter how much corruption there is in India, it's not easy to blindly increase the shelf life. So it is justified, kind of justified, right? So new chapter in Judge versus Army in Pack. You may read this. You will have to see through it. I haven't watched this one properly. What is GitHub at the center of online sexual harassment probe? People may ask you what is going on. So just skim through it. Nobody will ask you properly what is GitHub and all. So that is about that. Now the editorial. Try to read the whole editorial, but today there was no such real news. So there was. So yesterday, Vice President Naidu. So this is about the same thing. Vice President Naidu yesterday said that you may have opinions about you may like your own religion, but it is not good to have hate speech and writing against the country's culture, heritage, tradition, and constitutional rights. So it is against the constitutional rights, to be honest. Like okay, whatever you want to follow, you follow, there's no harm, we allow that. But you don't go, you know, saying that other religions are bad and all. So it was yesterday, like Saint Curios Elias Chavra's death anniversary. So this is the person, predecessor of Christ University. So it was about that. So you just need to know this, like what is happening, because you will read, if you see this one, turning to the court, SC can take Suamatu cognizance of hate speech and blatant incident to violence against the community. So here it was in the holy land of Haridwar. You can read it. So in the holy land of Haridwar, there were people, they kind of you know, उन्होंने ऐसे कमेंट्स पास किए अगेंस्ट मुस्लिम्स दैट you should kill them and all, like, kill them, you should just remove them to make a Hindu Rashtravad, yes, Hindu Rashtravad, something like that. So I kind of read it, but it is about that. So ठीक है, like कल उनकी एनिवर्सरी थी, तो उसके रिलेटेड जो चीज़ें हो रही है, यू कैन रीड दिस. बट एडिटोरियल्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट टू डेवलप अ ओपिनियन, बिकॉज मैनी न्यूज, लाइक लेट्स से फार्म लॉज, तो फार्म लॉज अच्छे या बुरे तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा? तुम्हें तो सिर्फ पता है कि प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं. तो प्रोटेस्ट क्यों चल रहे हैं, वो एडिटोरियल से पता चलता है कि वो क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और फिर प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, उसके एडवांटेजेस, disadvantages. That is all you get to know from the editorial page. Then the ideas page, I don't usually read it, but these also have great ideas for everything. So like, we the many. So India must not allow their multiple identities to be used to serve a device political agenda. So you may read it. To see this one, the political sector is crucial to the transition to sustainable development. Now why, what is exactly this guy's idea, what is he trying to say? So read that, maybe you will find it helpful. Now the world news. Okay, Omicron obtains return to US schools, workplaces. Now the thing, in US, the Omicron, what the hell, why am I saying Omicron? So Omicron is on a rise. So just skim through it, like the first 2-3 paragraphs. I don't think this is much important. United States jury finds Theranos founder Holmes guilty of fraud. Okay, fine. If you want to know about the fraud, just keep an eye on it. It's fine. Cases in hospital hit new record. So what is happening in the world in the COVID part, this may be important, because if they ask like how is COVID affecting the world, you may add these points, all these points. Germany relaxes Omicron restrictions on 9 nations. Okay, fine. You may read this. Like, it is not that important, because it continue, like, it's always happening. Somebody is restricting, somebody is not, relaxing. So you like just have an idea, overall idea. You don't have to study it. Conditions hard for 13 million under China's COVID lockdown. You may read it first 2-3 paragraphs, try to understand. If I don't think that was more important. Mossad may have threatened German and Swiss. Okay, so now the thing is, there will be things of your interest and some. So those things, like I like Mossad. Mossad is like we have raw, like the intelligence organization of our country. So the Mossad is the intelligence organization of Israel, and it is a next level organization. Like if you have heard stories about it, you would have been damn impressed. So I love Mossad. So in interview, it may happen that I somehow tell that like I like Mossad, right? Or through some news. So they will ask you a lot more about Mossad, that if you like Mossad, tell us about that. So you should, if you are always reading news about it, you are kind of updated with it. So this news may not be important. It is important because it aided Pak in nuke weapons, but still, even if it was a trivial matter, I would have read the news, because Mossad is something that I like, and I'm gonna say in the interview, so they may ask me about it. Okay, China dismisses US report its rapid growing its, so nuclear arm, anything nuclear related, it's important, it's kind of national news. Okay, future of prayer side in doubt under Israel's fragile government. Just read the first second paragraph, what is exactly happening, like in Israel. Why are, like, there are some news that there is a riot and all, so you should know about this. You should at least know 5 international and 5 national news, right? So economy, if you are, and also defense news are very important, right? Because uh, these are the things that are of national importance. How much are we spending on that? Even even there are new budgets that are that come every year, right? Like every 5 years, and also we have that budget plan, and there is a budget every year. So you should know about that कि हो क्या रहा है भाई देश में, मतलब उस budgets में. And in economy, if you are a IPM aspirant, just try to read it, not because everything is important, just because you will get used to the terms and all, because since you're going into a management field, I guess you should be a little well versed with finance. Yeah, so that's it. Even in this you can skim a lot, because there are a lot of useless news. And the last thing is sports में तो तुमको देख के पता चलता है, and usually we people are quite aware about sports. So just try to see कि देखो, Dojovic receives medical exemption for US Open. So ठीक है, चलो वो खेलेगा नहीं, तो ये तुम्हें मतलब it is not like जोकोविक के बारे में तुमको, नोवाक जोकोविक के बारे में तुमको बहुत कुछ पूछ सकते हैं, बट हाँ, इटालियन लीग टू रेज्यूम डिस्पाइट हाई पॉजिटिविटी. ओके फाइन. इटालियन लीग क्या होती है ये देखना, मुझे भी पता नहीं है, बट व्हाट इज इटालियन लीग एग्जैक्टली. So the thing is, I'm not so much into sports, but yeah. Then क्रिकेट में क्या चल रहा है, ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन कुछ, इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका ओपन कुछ तो चल रहा था, या इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका चल रही थी टेस्ट सीरीज. तो फिर वो देखना कि क्या इंडिया कौन सा जीत रहा है, क्या जीत रहा है. सो दैट्स इट. ओके, so I was preparing for NDA, right? So I had written all the important topics. So Indo-China was very important. Terrorism is a important part. Indo-Pakistan. So these kind of things that you should know. So ये मैंने लिख के रखा था. फिर उसके बाद here the news starts. Okay, so see, October 7 को I read read about CA. So that was something that was going on. That's Amendment Act, that Citizenship Amendment Act. So I wanted to read about that. So don't just write that, read भी करो. मैंने पढ़ लिया था, but हाँ, don't just blindly write shit. So October 7, 2 national, 2 international, and 1 sports. So Quad meeting, India tested smart, Nobel Prize for black hole, and Afghan Taliban get ground rules. ओके, सो ये मैंने 7 अक्टूबर को लिखा था. उस दिन कोई स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज़ नहीं थी. सो आई गॉट दिस चेक बाय माई टीचर. सो ही सेड क्वाड मीटिंग इज अ गुड थिंग, इंडिया टेस्टेड स्मार्ट इज अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज इट्स अ डिफेंस रिलेटेड न्यूज़, नोबेल फॉर ब्लैक होल, लाइक इट्स नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट इट वॉट डिस्कवरी हुई, बट नोबेल वगैरह नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट दे में आज कि इंडिया में रिसेंटली किसको नोबेल मिला, या कितने नोबेल्स मिले पूरे साल में इस बार लोगों को, और इंडिया में फिर किसको मिला, क्या मिला. सो इंडिया के रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट है. बाकी दिस इज नॉट अ वर्ल्ड न्यूज़. दैट्स व्हाट ही वाज ट्राइंग टू से. Afghan Taliban set ground rules. Okay, so this was like peace talks and all things that are important. So Afghan reconciliation chair meets NSA. That was important. BJP ticket denied, leader said to LJP. So this was a very political news. I used to write political news back then. So not important. And see the structure of writing, right? I'm writing the heading, 5 to 6 lines about the news, and then next news. 2 national, 2 international, 1 sports. Okay. BJP ticket denied. Okay, fine. Kyrgyzstan PM resigns. Okay, fine. Good. You should know about PMs and all. Nobel for editing things. Again, useless. Nobody cares. See, October 9, Abdullah meets Modi. So who is Abdullah? Abdullah, he's the chair of the reconciliation. So this is also like national news of national importance, that with whom are we maintaining good relations, right? Then Intel says China helping Pakistan in POK. Okay, so that is also national defense news. LJP list of 5 BJP useless. Race to first WTO woman chief. This is useless. Now why is this useless? Because this is just the race, that there are 2 women people, like women chiefs, to become 2 women who are going to become WTO chiefs. But the person who will become the WTO chief, that is important. There is a race between 2 of them, that is not important. It's okay. Like so प्रोटेस्ट एंड वायलेंट इंडो इंडोनेशिया, ठीक है, ये राइट्स वगैरह थोड़ा पता होना चाहिए. फाइट कंटिन्यूज इन अजरबैजान एंड आर्मेनिया. सो ये भी पता होना चाहिए. फ्रेंच ओपन पोस्ट, सो यही पता होना चाहिए कि भाई फ्रेंच ओपन कौन जीता था. दैट वाज द न्यूज़ दैट वाज हैपनिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू एनालाइज द न्यूज़. एंड द थिंग इज, स्टार्टिंग में तुम बहुत गलतियां करोगे, मैं भी बहुत गलतियां करता हूँ, मैं अभी भी गलतियां करता हूँ. मैंने भी अभी तुम्हें बताते वक्त कुछ चीज़ें गलत बताई होंगी कि ये पढ़ना चाहिए या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, वो बट वो ओवर टाइम डेवलप होता है. मतलब तुम गलतियां करते रहोगे, बट after a time you will get used to what do you have to read and what you don't have to read. So just try doing things, just get used to it, because reading the newspapers is really hectic, I know that. But if you try well and if you be consistent about it, you will easily be able to read through the paper, right? So मैं तुमको explain करते करते आज 15 मिनट 20 मिनट का वीडियो बन गया. So in 15-20 minutes you can easily skim through it, and if you even read some of the topics you would not need more than half hour. So मैं जब बोलता हूँ ना कि 15-20 मिनट या आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा मत दो, this is what I mean, that don't give a lot of time to newspapers. So that is it. And keep this notebook, because when you go for an interview you can just go through the things. कि अभी देखो मैंने सिर्फ 5-6 पेजेस पढ़े एंड आई वाज लाइक मुझे 5-6 दिनों के न्यूज़ पता चल गए. और कभी कभार ऐसे होता है कि न्यूज़ नहीं होते तो उस दिन नहीं लिखे तो भी चलेगा, बट जस्ट बी इन प्रैक्टिस. क्योंकि कैसा होता है ना, न्यूज़ रीडिंग इज अ थिंग दैट तुमको कल की न्यूज़ पता हो तभी तुम आज की न्यूज़ समझ सकते हो, और तभी तुम अगले दिन की न्यूज़ समझ सकते हो. तो तुम आज स्टार्ट करोगे तो तुम्हें आज की चीज़ें समझ नहीं आएगी, बट तुम्हें जब तुम कल पढ़ोगे फिर से तब तुम्हें आज का फ़ायदा होगा. यू विल बी लाइक ओके ये मैंने पढ़ा था इसलिए मुझे फ़ायदा हुआ. अब वो जो था एडिटोरियल में वो जो क्राइस्ट वाला था, सेंट एलियस चावरा, सो I didn't know about him. I knew about him because I was in Christ. But VP मतलब अपने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट नायडू ने क्या बोला, दैट आई हैड नो आइडिया. बट सिंस मैंने कल का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा था इसलिए मुझे पता था कि क्या हुआ आज. इसलिए टुडे आई वाज जस्ट एबल टू नो दैट, लाइक आई गॉट टू नो कि हाँ ठीक है दिस इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट, सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. सो ऐसे होता है. तुम पहले दिन तुम्हें बहुत हार्ड लगेगा, बट जैसे तुम एक आध हफ्ते बाद तुम्हारा धीरे धीरे तुम्हें सारे न्यूज़ पता चलने लगेंगे कि देश में हो क्या रहा है इतने दिनों से, फिर सब कुछ ईजी हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स ऑल. ये अचानक मुझे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा था और मैं बोला कि बताना चाहिए. सो दिस इज जस्ट इम्प्रॉम्प्टू वीडियो. आई एम सॉरी इफ इट नॉट सो वेल प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड ऑल, बट अगेन होप यू आर डूइंग गुड. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.